Students, in this question we have to evaluate limit of 1 upon n cube bracket 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 and so on plus n square when n tends to infinity. So first we write here the general term, that is the rth term of this sequence. So this can be written as 1 upon n square multiplied by 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on n square multiplied by 1 by n. Because this 1 upon n square multiplied by this 1 upon n, we get 1 upon n cube. Here 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square because 2 square is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 9 can be written as 3 square, that is 3 multiplied by 3, this is 9. And 4 square, this is 4 multiplied by 4, this is 16. And this is n square. Now this can be also written as 1 square divided by n square plus 2 square divided by n square plus 3 square divided by n square plus 4 square divided by n square plus and so on n square divided by n square. And this 1 upon n can be written as, आप देख सकते हैं here 1 upon n this 1 upon n square multiply in each of this term. So 1 upon n square multiplied by 1 square, so this can be written as 1 square upon n square plus 2 square multiplied by 1 upon n square, we get 2 square upon n square plus 3 square multiplied by 1 upon n square, write this 3 square upon n square plus 4 square multiplied by 1 upon square, write as 4 square upon n square plus and so on. Similarly, this n square multiplied by 1 upon n square, we write this n square by n square and this 1 upon n. Now this can be also written as 1 upon n whole square, because here square is on 1 and n both, and 2 square upon n square can be written as 2 upon n whole square, and 3 square upon n square can be written as 3 upon n whole square, and 4 square upon n square can be written as 4 upon n whole square plus and so on. N square upon n square can be written as n by n whole square multiplied by 1 upon n. So first we write here the general term of this sequence, that is the rth term, and write this sequence in the compact form. So in the first term we write here 1 upon n whole square, in the second term is here 2, in the third term here is 3, in the fourth term here is 4, and in the nth term here is n. So in the rth term here is r. In the first term in the denominator is here n, in the second term in the denominator is n, in the third term in the denominator is n, in the fourth term in the denominator is n. So in the rth term n will be in the denominator, and in each term there will be square. So in the rth term there will be also square, and this is the compact form of the sequence. When we write here r equal to 1, we get the first term. When we write r equal to 2, we get the second term. When we write r equal to 3, we get the third term. When we write r equal to 4, we get the fourth term. When we write r equal to n, we get the nth term. And this 1 upon n multiply in each term. So this 1 upon n multiply in the rth term. So this is the compact form. This is the compact form of this sequence. Now we know that this limit n tends to infinity and integral can be written, limit n tends to infinity and sigma can be written as equal to integral. So this can be written as a integral sign, and here we know that r by n equal to x, so we write here x, so this is x square, and we know that 1 upon n this is equal to dx, so we write here dx. Sorry. Now we find out limit of this integral, so we know that x equal to r by n, and here the lower limit of r equal to 1, so in place of r we put here n, this is the lower limit of r, and in place of n we put here n tends to infinity, so this is 1 upon infinity, this becomes 0. So the lower limit of integral is 0. Similarly, when we write x equal to r by n, and we take here upper limit of r, that is equal to n, so we put here r equal to n, divide by n, we get here 1, so this is 1. Now we integrate this is x square, so we get s cube by 3. Now we apply here upper limit minus lower limit, so we get 1 cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3. So we know that 1 cube this is 1 upon 3 and 0 cube is 0 upon 3, so this is 0 upon 3, that means 0, so 1 upon 3 minus 0, this is 1. So the answer of this question is 1 by 3. Thank you.